I value your time, and all the time lapses are in the description box below. Please go and check it out. I also mentioned all the points that I'm going to mention in this video in the description box. Imagine you came from out and you're so stressful and you splash some water, 10 times cool water on your face and spray some rose water after that and had a one big glass of buttermilk and just relaxed yourself in shavasana on the floor. How does that sound? Isn't that so relaxing? So fitness is a stabilizer, guys, that helps you not to burn out. Introducing such kind of techniques can actually help you to stabilize and balance your stressful day. Yes, fitness is not just something that actually helps you to maintain your body stamina, but also fitness helps you not to burn out. So I'm so much into yoga, and I choose halasana or shavasana when I'm having a very stressful and low energy days, because these asanas particularly control your central nervous system, and I feel very relaxed after doing these two asanas. So these are one of my favorite asanas. There are so many, but these are two are like very favorite to me. So apart from this, swimming also, which I tried, but I also heard that Pilates really work when you have sleepless nights. Now, why you need to have more water when you sleep less? Sleep is a mechanism, it is a detoxifying mechanism of the human body, right? So if you sleep well, your body actually detoxifies your body and flushes out all the toxins from your body. So now that capacity is lost by your body when you sleep less, or else the process has been disrupted in between. So if you drink a lot of water, it is like assisting your human body to flush all the toxins out from your body. You can also face dehydration because of less sleep, so drink more water. Fitness is not just about the physical stamina, but the mental stamina as well. The energy levels that you have before you introduce fitness into your lifestyle and after you introduce fitness or exercise into your lifestyle, you will see a drastic change, not only in your physical stamina, but also in mental stamina. Yes, it increases your mental stamina and decisive mindset as well. I think most of us heard this, many actresses telling in the interviews that they can't think straight when they don't work out. Well, that's an experience, but because you will get over your cognitive fatigue and gathering all the willpower and start making powerful decisions. I want all of you to actually experience that state. Whenever you have stressful days or imbalanced days, from now start doing meditation or yoga or do anything like Pilates, gym workouts or something, but hit the fitness. Third one I want to talk about is stop draining yourself 100%. I've seen people like they don't do anything after they go home because they don't have energy anymore, no energy left in the body. It's because they drain themselves 100%. Set up a boundary. Imagine yourself that you have a bubble around you, and you're having that energy bubble around you that protects you from draining yourself 100%, and then step out of your house. Before you step out of your house, start telling yourself that you're not going to drain yourself 100%. Once you're done 80%, keep a check on your energy levels. Once you're done 80%, then tell yourself that, ask yourself, will I drain 100% if I stay another half an hour in this party, in this fest, or in this meeting? If you feel that you're gonna drain 100% if you're gonna stay more in that particular fest, then please leave from there, because we don't want to drain ourselves 100% and then come home and just lie on the bed. No, that's not what a balanced lifestyle is. So if you are drained for 80%, here is the thing. Once you come home with that 20% of energy, you can re-energize yourself with a proper lifestyle that I've mentioned in the beginning of this video. So once you start having that kind of rejuvenating routines, that will energize you for another 20% with which you can actually work even after coming to home, right? That is what we need. That is what this video is all about. Stress as energy management, hustling culture. We are students doing jobs at the same time, so we need that, right? So I hope you are understanding from where I'm coming from. You need to gather the 40% and sit and study again after you come from meeting, fest, parties, job, whatever it is. Listen to me carefully. See, instead of taking coffee too many times, just cut down coffee and start taking anything that can actually detoxifies your body, like sugarcane juice or coconut water or buttermilk. When you have less sleep or stressful days, that can help you to detoxify yourself. Trust me, guys, don't even feel like sleeping or taking a nap. It's because coffee doesn't re-energize your body. It just blocks that nerve that will signal your brain that you are feeling tired or you're feeling sleepy. It just blocks that nerve. So this kind of drinks or fruit juices can actually re-energize your body and help your body to detoxify. So we have lot of toxic intake these days, the pollution, the food that we are eating, the water that we are taking. Yes, the water that we are taking, and the milk that is mixed in the coffee. How far you know that's the pure milk? Even that is chemicalated. Yes or no? We're taking lot of toxins inside, so we need that detoxification, and especially the days when we don't have proper sleep or stressful days. So coffee is not re-energizing drink. This is what I want to stress more on. So I want you to take some re-energizing drinks that can help you to cope with the day. We spoke about the necessity. Now we will talk about the emotion. What if you love coffee like me? I love cold coffees. I'm a huge fan of cold coffee because, of course, it puts us at active state and excited electron state. So, what if you love coffee like me? Then let me tell you my experience here. See, I have my meals really well. I do have my meals in my breakfast. So after that, I can't feel active 8 in the evening. Late evenings, 8 p.m., I don't feel active to study at all. So I take my coffee in the 11 a.m. in the morning. And what is the connection here? Coffee stays 12 hours in your body. Yes, it stays 12 hours in your body. Of course, the concentration keep declining, but still it stays and help you to be active in the whole day, also late in the evening. But at the same time, after your breakfast and before your lunch, it's better to take between this period, because coffee has tannins that will block the absorption in your body. So that is not good for us, because we who are hustlers do a lot of work with our brains, steady job, everything. So we need so much of calories, because our brain takes 60% of the body calories, so it consumes a lot. So we need more energy here to work from here, not from through the physical stamina. So yep, we don't want that blockage of absorption. We need more energy that need to go to our brain. So I hope you're understanding. Take coffee in the mornings, that too after 1 hour or 2 hours that you have your breakfast. Have you ever thought that your own thoughts drain you a lot? Your own thoughts create a lot of stress within you. Yes, sir. Thoughts are draining also. So, here I want to mention speed doesn't mean, it's merely not a verb, it's a noun too. It describes you. Speed doesn't mean you need to be anxious, stressful, tension, pressure. All these things are not the sisters or twin sisters of speed. Speed means you're doing a thing or a work in a fast pace. So that's all you have to focus on. So first thing you have to tell to yourself is, instead of telling speed up, tell yourself that you have to focus better. Focus is something that brings a hastened pace in your lifestyle. Yes, most of the times we are too distractive, and that's the reason why we feel that we are late or we don't have time. Observe yourselves. Most of the times we feel that we lack time just because we're too distracted from here. If you're too focused and if you're too in the present moment and keep telling yourself that focus better, that speed automatically involve in the process. Whenever I put on my makeup, I have to shoot, I don't have time, I tell myself only one thing: focus better. I don't tell myself hasten Rupa. You get that, right? So just implement this shift, perspective shift, and see how far you can bring that speed into your lifestyle. So thank you so much and welcome back to my channel. For all the new viewers who are watching this video, I know I'm saying this at the end of the video, but I really mean it, that I'm so grateful for everyone who is supporting my channel and all the newcomers who are visiting my channel and watching my videos and supporting it, sharing it, liking it and subscribing. So I want you to do the same drill right now and comment down below what is your favorite point in this video, and yeah, let me know how you're feeling about my videos. So that's all for today, guys. Stay energetic and stay focused all the time. Well, I think I have taken a really long time to make a content or a particular video on this topic of my last final dialogue that I keep telling in every single video. Stay energetic and stay focused. How you have to stay energetic, energy and stress management. Wow, I haven't related it till now. Anyways, stay energetic and stay focused. Bye bye.